Shit Houseful.
Good night, each and everybody on their life. This is Derrick Morgan, and Derrick Morgan pleading out to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. Can help him right now. I be a death threat. Man, I threaten me if he kill me. Yes. Me pleading out to each and everybody. Me can't walk on the road in peace. Man said them going to shoot me. Man said them going to do this to me. Them are saying no death threat to me. The people that will come for my life at night time. Them are saying, man, if you come hurt me. I beg you, please, please, do not help Derrick Morgan. Derrick Morgan a fret. Bad. So, everybody run out and support Uncle that make Uncle that get like a 1-bedroom urgent. It matter is urgent. Prime Minister of Jamaica at Derrick Morgan on TikTok where them want kill. Sir, may I beg you, all of the labor right people them we know Derrick with all over the place where downtown, uptown, all around town. We crying out for help. I cry for help. No. When I don't nobody know, everybody I call the phone. I send threat to me. Yes. Me tired of it now. Me can't sleep in peace. Mr. Prime Minister, may I beg you tonight for help Derrick Morgan. Help Derrick Morgan, please. Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Honorable Andrew Owners, can help this man. We always upon TikTok, they want hurt. Please, me I beg you. Me tired of the number. So Monday, me go try and change my chip out of my phone. Me go break up the chip by Monday night. Me go break up the chip and that chip to it. Me no want that chip no more. Me go buy a new chip. Put it on my phone. The Prime Minister, them send that threat to me. Because I don't live no way. I walk on the road and hurt me. Please, me I appeal out to each and everybody on TikTok. Them a murder me, want murder Derrick Morgan. Please, Mr. Prime Minister, I beg you, help Uncle Derrick. Please, on TikTok, me on TikTok. So long, everybody know me on TikTok. Any labor right people will always depend on TikTok and hear this man appeal for help. Send a message to the Prime Minister of Jamaica to help Uncle Derrick. No.